So when we're talking about our custom stair nosings, we've been in the market for about 3 or 4 years now. We found a real niche in it, and we found that with a quality product and a bit more attention to detail with all the edge protection and the way they're mited, we've really got a good presence out there with a lot of variations. And the latest variations that we've come up with is for a common job where you've got a stringer or a wall on one side, but this outside edge has to be finished off where it's finished from every direction where you're looking up and from the back. So we've come up with a way to make these oversized and still try and keep your joint in the middle, and then they can be cut down on site and even a veneer put on the back side here to make it all complete and be customizable on the job. So yeah, a really good add to our already wide range of stair nosings that we make. That also leads into these box stairs, which are great for those jobs where the architect's got the steel beams coming out, and these can be made about 3mm oversize, glued, slid on and finished from all angles. So another good added feature to our stair nosing range. Another key point to keep in mind is the non-slip rating of your stairs. In the domestic market, as long as your plank is at least P3 rated, and every flooring has to have the P3 or the R rating. So P3, if the plank is P3, your stair nosings are P3, and you can avoid the dodgy tape and those sorts of things. So if your boards don't make that rating, some of these brands behind us make some great coatings, and we can actually add a non-slip coating on top of your flooring so it does come to spec. It is a bit of a grey area. Some of the assessors aren't up to speed, so there is some documents that we can supply with some of these non-slip coatings, which will certify the P3 and even P4 rating, up to P5 with some of them as well, which is more needed for the exterior where things are likely to get wet. Now, another thing worth noting is the commercial type nosings, and things changed a few years ago where these large fronts don't comply anymore in most scenarios. Sometimes you might get away with them, but the basics are it has to have the 10mm front to go on here so that the visually impaired person can actually see and identify where the riser meets the tread. And then the other key factor is the insert must have a 30% difference in contrast from what the floors are. So these unfortunately don't work. They're a bit tricky, these, on some scenarios where the concrete might be already bullnosed, but generally on the timber stairs, even if you were getting engineered stairs made, you still need to add these on top in the commercial application. So keep that in mind. Reach out if you need any more information, and there isn't many applications now that we haven't got a stair nosing, either custom or commercial, that will fit the job. So thanks for listening. We'll keep you posted with some more improvements in the industry. Thank you.